Hi trombone players, this video is going to go over how to hold your trombone and how to play so and me on it. So we have our trombone set up so that we put our bell into the screw part and made a right angle with the turn on our left side so that we can put it right up and put our mouthpiece up. And I'm going to screw my screw on so it's nice and tight so my trombone's not moving around. And we're going to play on our mouthpiece first. So you should be really good at playing on your mouthpiece because you followed along with the other videos. And we're going to start with a long tone on so. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Check yourself. Are you sitting up tall? Are you breathing through your mouth? Let's do that again. Breathe through your mouth. Sit up tall. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's tongue. So we're keeping our air steady like we just did, but our tongue gets in the way. Listen first. Ready? Join me. Ready? Now let's go ahead and do me. So me is lower, we relax our air and our lips. Join me, 2, ready. Last time, ready. Long or tonguing, 1, 2, ready. Alright, I think we're ready to put our instrument together. So when we put our mouthpiece on our trombone, we twist, we do not hit it on top because that's how our mouthpiece gets stuck. Make an L with your left hand. It should look like an L to you and a backwards L to everybody else. Take your L and put your thumb under the top rod and your finger over, so it's pointing over. I'm covering up my top stabilization, and my fingers naturally go around my trombone. I rest my trombone against my neck when I play, but it's not against my shoulder. Notice how my trombone's pointing slightly down. It's not straight up, it's slightly down. Not all the way down though. Go ahead and set your trombone down and practice picking it up a few times. Make your L, put your thumb under, L, thumb under, wrap your hand around. Again, L, thumb under, wrap your fingers around. Here we go. We're gonna play this note. Listen. Try it. Ready? Again, 2. Ready. Again. The note you just played is so, and we didn't move our slide at all, so that is in first position. We're going to play so using our ta-ta tongue 5 times. 1, 2, ready. Last one. Good job. So that was so. Now we're going to learn me. Me is is in fourth position, meaning our slide goes out so that the gold part is in line with our bell. Go to first position, go to fourth position. First, fourth, first, fourth. Last time, first, fourth. We're gonna stay in fourth position. Listen to how that sounds. Join me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now we're going to tongue on me. Same thing, we just keep that slower air and looser lips. Listen. 2, 3. Join me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now we're going to work on switching between the two notes, so and me. Listen to how it sounds. Notice I'm holding my trombone with 2 fingers. I'm not using my whole hand. This allows us more control over our trombone slide. So make sure you're holding it with 2 fingers when you're moving your slide back and forth. All right, check your hand position. Make an L, thumb under, finger pointing. I'm starting in first position. Listen first. Ready? We'll do that 3 times. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to work on switching from me to so. Listen to what we're going to play. Join me. We'll do it 3 times, starting in fourth position. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so you remember how Rain, Rain, Go Away sounds? Why don't we sing it together? Starts on so, ready, go. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Listen to how it sounds. If you want to, you can practice moving from first to fourth position, but I want you to listen this first time through. 1, 2, ready. Okay, I'm gonna play through the song 3 times. The first time, if you still want to listen and you do your slide positions, you can. If you've practiced this video through a couple times already, go ahead and join me playing it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. were just listening the last time, go ahead and join us this time. Make sure you're sitting up tall. Make sure you have good hand position. We have our L with our right hand, our trombone's resting against our neck, and we're using only 2 fingers to hold on to our trombone slide. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Here's the last time that we're doing rain, rain, go away. Make sure that you're using your 2 fingers and you are breathing through your mouth when you go to breathe. 1, 2, 3. Good job. We are done practicing for today. If you want to go on to the next video and learn how to do Starlight, Starbright, you're welcome to. If not, if you're done, we're going to lock our trombone slide before we do anything else. We're going to take our mouthpiece off and put it in our case. And then we're going to press the spit valve down at the end of our trombone and blow through the top and get any condensation that's been left from our practicing in there. Now go ahead and unscrew the top of your trombone and put your trombone in your case. Make sure you close your case and keep it someplace safe. Thank you so much for playing with me today, guys. Have a great rest of your day.